Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. This week we get to look at a two-bedroom lakeview villa at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. One of our daughters helped us with this video, so you may see her as we go along. As you come into the video, you can see how big and spacious it is, and this is just the kitchen and living room area. The two-bedroom villas are about 1,200 square feet. They have this lovely seating area. The villas can accommodate 9 people maximum. They have a pantry here and storage space for food and other items. Really lovely seating area, beautiful living room, full kitchen. So we've got a oven, range, a microwave, a coffee maker, a 4-slice toaster, and a full dishwasher, as you can see here. So just a beautiful kitchen, and it's fully equipped with all sorts of glasses and cups and plates and bowls and utensils and cooking utensils and pots and pans and just everything you would need. So they say welcome home, and they make it feel like home. So there's the range and this great big full-size refrigerator. So the top part is the refrigerator. You can see how big it is if I can get this open. And then down below is the freezer, which is also huge. So great big, wonderful, full-size refrigerator to use while you're staying in the villa. Here's the living room, which is also beautiful. You can see you've got a great big flat screen TV, and then this Murphy bed right here just folds down. So it's very comfortable. There's no bars or anything in it. So single Murphy bed with beautiful artwork behind it that's Mary Poppins themed, which is true of all of the artwork in these villas, but you can see how beautiful it is. And when you're finished with the bed, you just fold it right back up, which is very clever and very convenient. So it's not taking up space when you're not using it. It's this lovely seating area and a sofa and coffee table and comfortable chairs. And the sofa is another Murphy bed. So you just grab this handle after you move the furniture out of the way, and it pulls down out of the wall into a beautiful queen-size bed, which is very comfortable and much better than a sleeper sofa because there's no metal bars or anything across the middle of the bed. Beautiful Mary Poppins themed artwork above the bed. And when you're finished with it, you just fold it right back up into the wall. So it's not taking up space, and you have your lovely sofa back. So it's very clever and very comfortable queen bed that folds right into the wall. So, and then over to the right, we have a beautiful lake view of Seven Seas Lagoon. You can see the Polynesian resort there in the background. We'll look at that more later. Coming into the primary bedroom, you can see to the left, there's another sliding glass door with access to the great big balcony that we'll look at in a few minutes. There's a comfortable chair, a great big beautiful king-size bed. The beds are not lofted, so you can't put your luggage underneath the bed, but there's plenty of storage space. There's tons of storage space actually. Have another great big beautiful flat screen TV above a nice big dresser with all kinds of drawers and places to put your belongings. More Mary Poppins themed artwork above a beautiful desk. There's a look at the bathroom, which we'll look at in a minute. And here's a walk-in closet in the primary bedroom. So you can see how huge it is. Extra bedding. There's a robe so you can use while you're at the resort. 2 luggage racks to store your luggage on. And a safe for your valuables. So very beautiful. And then coming into the primary bathroom, you can see they have these pocket doors, which are very clever. So you can close off both sections of the bathroom, which is also huge. So 2 people can be using it at the same time. So in this section, there's a great big soaking tub, which is just beautiful, and a single vanity, and amenities there on the counter. And then heading into the second section of the bathroom, you can see the pocket door there on the right. So it slides out, and you can close off one section of the bathroom from the other. So 2 people can be using the primary bathroom at the same time. There's the facilities, and then just over here is a great big, huge walk-in shower. So let's go inside and take a look. There's more amenities there on the wall. And then you can see how huge this shower is, with a bench there if you need it or want it, and a shower wand, and it has a rain shower head. Coming back out into this section of the bathroom, you can see there's a single vanity with all kinds of storage there as well, and more amenities. This section of the bathroom also opens out into the hallway by the front door that connects the two bathrooms and the two bedrooms. And here on the left-hand side, you have the stackable washer and dryer, which is included in the unit, which is just wonderful, and enough detergent to do 4 loads of laundry. So very convenient to be able to do laundry in your own villa. Continuing over into the second bedroom, we've got this lovely entryway. There's 2 entryways into the second bedroom. Have a little desk here and another mirror. And here's the second bathroom, which is also a full bathroom. I also have the pocket doors to close it off for privacy, so 2 people can be using it at the same time. Have another lovely walk-in shower. It's not quite as big as the other one, but still very spacious, with a shower wand and a bench. Have another single vanity with more storage and more amenities, and another makeup mirror. And then coming into the second section of the bathroom, you have the facilities, of course, and another soaking tub with a shower tub combo, and more amenities there on the wall. So 2 people can be using this bathroom as well. Here's the closet for the second bedroom, which is also quite spacious. Not as large as the walk-in closet, but more robes you can use, more luggage racks, plenty of hanging space and storage space. So just beautiful. And then coming into the second bedroom, you can see that you've got 2 great big beautiful queen size beds. So very comfortable and very spacious. Another great big flat screen TV and another dresser. So tons of space for your garments and belongings. You have a night table there between the 2 queen size beds. Another sliding glass door out onto the beautiful balcony, which we'll look at in a minute. A table with 2 comfortable chairs. So lovely seating area, and you can bring those chairs out into the living room. Here's the sliding glass door from the second bedroom. You can see they have a child lock on top too, which is a good idea for safety of little ones. And you come out onto your huge private balcony, which is just gorgeous. They have privacy walls between the villas to separate you from your neighbors to give you more privacy. And you have a gorgeous view of Seven Seas Lagoon. You can see how long the balcony is. It covers both bedrooms and the living room, so it's a triple wide balcony. Just amazing. And a gorgeous lake view. So you can see the Contemporary Resort over there in the distance on the left-hand side. And over on the right-hand side, you can see the Polynesian Resort and the Wedding Pavilion. And down below by the water, you can see the path that leads to the Polynesian Resort. If you go to the right and to the left, about a mile away, you can walk all the way to the Magic Kingdom. So just a gorgeous 2-bedroom lake view villa at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. So when you're ready to book your stay at Walt Disney World before you head to Port Canaveral for a Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!